Dobar dan svima. This is Eric Nelson, U.S. Ambassador to Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's a pleasure to welcome you all virtually to this year's Connecto conference. I had a great time last year stopping by Mostar to welcome last year's attendees. This is a great business-to-business event and a great opportunity for members of the diaspora of Bosnia and Herzegovina to connect with talent and enterprises back here in country. That's it's an event that I am very pleased to be able to promote and that I really enjoy attending, because those kind of connections we see at the U.S. Embassy is so important for the future of Bosnia and Herzegovina. In my time in Bosnia and Herzegovina, I've learned that the diaspora is one of the country's greatest strengths. Of course, the greatest strength of the country is the talent of its people. And I've always been impressed how you really see the talent of the people flourish when they leave the country and move to countries where rule of law prevails, like in Australia and Europe and the Americas. With 2 million Bosnian and Herzegovinian citizens in the diaspora, you're an incredible force compared to the 3.5 million residents of the country. And we see that the strength of the diaspora in a macroeconomic sense, when you look at 13% of the GDP coming back in remittances. But we think that there's a lot more that the diaspora can do to help Bosnia and Herzegovina rise and progress toward a more secure and prosperous future. Not just remittances, but real investments of ideas, investments of mentoring, investments of trailblazing as entrepreneurs. That kind of growing of the real economy in Bosnia and Herzegovina is so important for its path to the future. We support that directly through the USAID Diaspora Invest program. Diaspora Invest has helped scores of members of the diaspora return to the country and start businesses, creating jobs for nearly 300 people to date. You can be trailblazers and great models for Bosnians, young and old, to follow your path and create real jobs in the country. So that's something we at the U.S. Embassy support directly through Diaspora Invest, and even Diaspora Invest is a supporter of this conference today, and we hope that it will be a productive get-together for many of you to connect with entrepreneurs and businesses, find great new business opportunities, figure out how to get the economy started despite the COVID restrictions, and continue to create jobs and opportunities for citizens across Bosnia and Herzegovina. So I hope that the organizers today will have been able to create a good platform for you all to connect. And I hope that there are a lot of good business ideas and business initiatives that will come out of these conversations. I hope that I'll be able to meet many of you soon as COVID restrictions, as we learn how to better manage these. And I know there's an upcoming event in Trebinje as well. But all of these Diaspora Connect events are so important, and I really appreciate you seeing the value of it and taking time to join it today. You have the support of the U.S. Embassy, you have my support as U.S. Ambassador, and I wish you great luck. Hvala svima.